Dennis, and I'm the Executive Director of the We Shine Initiative. We Shine stands for Welcoming, Empowering, Safe Habitation Initiative with Neighborhood Engagement. The mission of We Shine in general is to build and operate neighborhood-based microvillages that provide wraparound support and housing connections in a transitional setting where people can live for up to 2 years while they're working on getting their lives back together and healing, and then we help them find housing connections and move to stable, affordable housing. And I want to say a very, very special thanks to Rick's Fencing and American Structure and Design for helping us build and donating the materials and the labor for us to have a deck, a ramp, and handrails and steps here at our We Shine St. Andrews Community Village.